Established in 1997, Price Chopper is a global leading manufacturer of identification wristbands for all markets. Price Chopper is able to ensure quality products are available to our customers at the most competitive prices. From the smallest fund center to the largest distributor, we appreciate the opportunity to be of service to you. Millions of wristbands are produced and shipped daily across the country and the globe. Whether you need wristbands for admission or access control, age identification, or for a unique purpose, we have hundreds of combinations of colors and patterns to choose from. We also have the capabilities to custom imprint bands to meet your needs. Looking for high-quality wristbands that are non-transferable, non-stretch, waterproof, and 100% recyclable? Our Tyvek wristbands have all those characteristics. In addition, our Tyvek wristbands are consecutively numbered and can be printed on featuring artwork in up to 4 colors. We also offer a complete assortment of 100% silicone wristbands in several shapes and sizes. Silicone wristbands may be debossed, embossed, silkscreen printed, and color ink filled. Need a wristband for extended wear? Our 3-layer vinyl snap wristbands are for you. Vinyl snap bands are available in 23 different colors and patterns and 4 different styles. Additionally, we have lightweight plastic and holographic bands with snap closures. Our full-color wristbands can be barcoded and have RFID capabilities. With our over 100,000 square feet of combined manufacturing and warehousing space, Price Chopper has the highest production capacity that allows us to give generous volume discounts for distributors. Same-day rush services are available, with most stock orders shipping the same day. Price Chopper has direct international shipping and a single dedicated sales representative for every client. Senior management is continuously involved to ensure that Price Chopper remains a leader in the industry. Our customer service reps are available Monday through Friday from 8 a.m. to 6 p.m. Call toll-free or visit us online for assistance. Price Chopper. We chop a slice off every price.